In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space in Gmail accounts. If your Gmail storage is getting full, don't worry. Google gives you a simple way to find and remove items that are taking up unnecessary space. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, open your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're on the main Gmail screen where you can see your emails. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your inbox. Near the bottom, you should see a storage message showing how much of your available Google storage has been used, usually something like a percentage of 15 gigabytes used. You can also find the same storage indicator by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner. Either option will take you to the same storage area. After that, look to the top left and click on One. This will open your Google One storage overview, which is where Google groups together storage usage across services like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Next, in the menu on the left-hand side, click on Storage. This section gives you a clearer breakdown of what's using up space in your account. From there, click on Cleanup Space. This is the area that helps you quickly identify items you can safely remove to recover storage without having to search manually through your account. You'll now see a section with cleanup suggestions. Here, Google may show categories such as files in trash, spam emails, or emails in trash. Choose one of these sections and click Review underneath it. This lets you inspect the suggested items before deleting them, which is helpful if you want to be sure you're removing the right content. Once you're inside that section, click Delete All. This is the quickest option if you're ready to clear everything in that category. Before anything is removed, Google will ask you to confirm that you understand deleted items can't be recovered. Click the checkbox to acknowledge that warning. This step is important because permanent deletion means those messages or files will no longer be available later. Finally, click Permanently Delete. That will remove the selected items and help free up storage in your Gmail account. If you still need more space afterward, you can repeat the same process for other suggested categories in the cleanup section. That way you can gradually clear out spam, trash, and other unnecessary items that may be taking up valuable storage. And that's it. That's how to free up space in your Gmail account quickly and safely.